I'm Ilyse Hogue. I'm the president of NARAL Pro-Choice America, which I might not be if I hadn't had access to a legal abortion 20 years ago when I got pregnant due to a contraception failure. But let me back up. I always say my abortion story is boring. I got pregnant. I wasn't ready to be a parent. I wasn't with the person I wanted to be with for the rest of my life. We weren't financially secure. We both had dreams that we wanted to go on and achieve. My abortion story was boring because I was able to get my pregnancy test back, choose what I wanted to do, go to a clinic, get the medical care that I needed, and go on with my life. My abortion story was boring because millions of people fought long and hard for me to be able to access safe, compassionate, high-quality medical care in my own community. The abortion that I had was a chapter in my life, but it certainly wasn't the whole story. I think about my abortion, but I certainly don't regret it. It allowed me to go on and do work that I think was incredibly impactful on international rights and environment before I came home to dedicate my life to women's equality. If we can't decide that we're not ready to be parents, then everything else we aspire to fades from view. Even 20 years later, it is much more difficult for women to have access to the services that I had. It is much more difficult with waiting periods, mandatory ultrasounds, and clinics closing all over the country. Everywhere abortion is illegal or inaccessible, the number of abortions don't go down, but the numbers of injuries and deaths to women simply wanting to live their lives and their dreams on their own terms go up. I'm asking the court to allow abortion not just to remain legal, but to be accessible in our own communities, so everyone's abortion story can be as boring as mine. I'm asking the court to uphold the values that are supremely American values, that women can be equal, that we can have dignity in our life decisions, and certainly that we can have the privacy to make the decisions that are best for us and our families moving forward into the future.